Good evening, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson 3, Amin and the eggs. Look at the pictures below. What will happen later? Draw or write your answer in the box beside each picture. So children, here you can see two pictures are given. So in the first picture, a hen lays egg. Now means present. Okay. So after hen lays egg, what will happen? It will hatch into chicken, isn't it? So you have to write the correct answer here in this box, 4th sentence. And in the second picture, a man is pressing the tiny seed inside the soil. So children, when we press the seed inside the soil, what will happen later? It will grow into many more plants, isn't it? So you have to write here the correct answer by looking the picture what will happen. 4th sentence, both picture. I hope so you have got it. So now let's read out the story of this lesson. So everyone listen properly, okay? Once upon a time there was a man called Amin. He lost all his crops in a drought. Amin decided to look for work in another village. Before he left, he went to a merchant. So children, once upon a time there was a man, okay, his name is Amin. So he lost all his crops due to no rain a long period of time. He had decided to look for a work in another village. So before he left, he went to a merchant. Please give me a dozen hard-boiled eggs. Here you go, Amin. So children, you can see here in this picture, he is Amin who lost all his crops in a drought due to no rain, and he is merchant. So here he is asking a dozen of hard-boiled eggs from him, and he says, here you go, Amin, and gave him a dozen of hard-boiled eggs. I promise to pay you once I come back. And off he went on his donkey. So by taking a dozen of hard-boiled eggs, he promised him to pay when he come back and went to look for a work in another village on his donkey. 7 years later, Amin returned to his village. Look, it's Amin. He's returned a rich man. Oh, such a fine black horse. His camel is carrying bags of gold and silver coins. So after 7 years later, he returned to his village. You can see here in this picture. The village's people were shocked by looking him and discussing in between by saying that he became a very rich man and he bought such a fine black horse, and one of his horse is carrying bags of gold and silver coins. At Amin's house, Amin, pay back the debt you owe me. Give me 500 silver coins for the eggs you bought. So children, here a merchant is asking him to pay back his money that he had borrowed from him by taking a dozen of hard-boiled eggs, and now he demands him to give him 500 silver coins for the eggs that he had taken. 500 silver coins, that too much. I refuse to pay such a large sum. So after listening 500 silver coins, Amin said that too much and he refused him to pay such a large amount. I will take this matter to the judge. So when he refused to pay, merchant told him that he will take this matter to the judge. I hope so children you had understood this story till here. So for today we'll end till here, and tomorrow we are going to continue the rest part of the story. Till then, thank you and happy learning.